Here we are doing a skull, a patriotic skull. Ooh, look what Mayhem Beauty did. Don't she look beautiful? Now we are really going to get into Halloween. If you don't like skulls, don't watch. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this.
What's poppin', Mayhem Goddess crew? In today's video, I'll be going over this patriotic skull that I've been eyeballing for a minute. So here I'm laying down my bald cap with spirit gum. So you gonna lay this bald cap just like you laying a front lace wig, literally, no lie. You gonna put the spirit gum down, and then you gonna make sure it's tacky, and then you gonna put the bald cap over the spirit gum, and you gonna do it in sections if you're a beginner. And this is what worked for me. Now, I'm by far a special effects makeup artist, nor am I saying I am the best, but I wanted to get something out for you guys for Halloween, and this is what I came up with. So after you're done laying your bald cap, you are going to take the spirit gum and place that over the lines of the bald cap to help it blend. Now make sure you do that well, because later on in this video you will see that it's lifting on one side, and that's because I just didn't do it all that well, to tell you the truth. So here I'm going to be laying down my glue so I can tack down my eyebrows so you won't be able to see them through the paint, as well as put some powder over my eyebrows so that they will blend. After you're done doing that, you're going to take some white paint. This is by Miron, Clown White, I believe, or maybe it's just straight up white. I can't remember. Take some white paint and do your whole face with it. Now, this part, I wish I would have did differently. And this lets you know that I'm not a special effect makeup artist. I should have sketched like what I'm doing here first and then put my paint down. That would have made it a whole lot easier, but this is what I did. So after you're done sketching out what you want, you're going to go on ahead and paint all the pieces together. This is Miron, a blue color. I can't remember the colors of it. I'll leave them linked down below. But I'm just placing that on the upper right hand of my skull. After that, I decided to go ahead and fill in the pieces of where I sketched out, and I do have a piece of tape in the middle of my forehead in the ball cap just so I can get a nice clean line of where I was placing stuff. That was more for me than anything. You could do that if you want to, but you don't have to. And here I'm filling it in with black. Now this black was made by Ben Ney, and I don't like it because it's too shiny and it moves and it's kind of oily. So use a different kind of black paint that is kind of more matte colored. And after you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and place your stripes into place. This is Miron, a water-based red paint. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and do your neck portion if you're not going to wear like a turtleneck that's all black. Now you see what I'm talking about? How it's shiny. It's shiny in some pieces. I don't like that. Just saying. Then here I am trying to attempt, hence keyword attempt, to draw on some teeth after I got done attempting to shade in my lines of my patriotic skull. And I am taking that same black paint that I don't like, and I am placing cracks in my skull. Those do not have to be uniform, so just place them where you feel needed. Now here I decided to go on ahead and place some patriotic stars there. Now these came from a bucket of bling, and they were in different colors and stuff like that. So I did it this way, decided I didn't like it, and I took it off because I tried to tack it on with some eyelash glue. Didn't like it, took it off, turned the star around because they were originally colors. So I took the glue and started to place that where I wanted it to, and then decided to change my mind again. And then I chose to stamp them on. So to make this stamp, I did use like a thumbtack and kind of glued it to one of the stars, stuck it in the clown white, and then started to stamp it onto my skull. And that's how I ended up getting those stars, because your girl was not drawing on no damn stars. That wasn't gonna happen. They was gonna look all jacked up. So that just about does it for this skull. Please give me a thumbs up for at least trying to do some type of face paint for you. And give my mom a thumbs up for trying to do my spooky intro for me that actually turned out quite awesome. And that's why I left it in here. So I will catch you guys in the next video. See you later. Bye.